Hi everyone, my name is Katja, I'm CatColouring, and a warm welcome to my channel in this cold time of the year. So this is a very short little video with a happy mail I have received. If you're wondering about my voice, well, I actually lost it a week ago after I got pneumonia. So day by day my voice returns, but it's still really hoarse and rusty and shaky. So I hope that you will bear with me in this video. So this happy mail is from a very dear American friend, a niece. And this is all about my relationship with Castle Art Pencils, the Castle Art Pencil brand. So if you remember, some months ago, they launched a new series of coloring pencils called Harmonious. They were supposedly meant to supplement the other coloring pencils they have on the market. You know, they have the gold ones and the soft touch ones and the metallic and the pastel tints. And these colors in this set are supposed to balance out and have some of the colors that we don't find in the other sets, you know, the gold set and the soft touch set. So unfortunately, I wrote Castle Art because they only sold it through their website. And you know, from my previous reviews of Castle Art pencils, I have 3 reviews up on my channel. You can watch them under the playlist reviews. When they sell from their website, they only sell in the United States to Americans, and I think they ship to the UK also. And from the UK branch, they sell to customers in the UK and, of course, the United States and France and Germany. This means that most other European artists, we can't get a hold of these pencils unless they are sold on Amazon. So I wrote Castle Art and asked, well, will they be on sale here from Amazon? And a very polite employee from the customer branch said, no, these are only sold through our website. So if you don't live in these countries, you can't get a hold of them. And this is really annoying. So I was in a Facebook group at this point during the summer months. And I complained about this, and a lot of other people agreed with me, all of us Europeans who cannot get a hold of these pencils. And then a niece reached out to me and said, well, are you ready to trust a complete stranger? And I said, yeah, I know we have to be careful, you know, both on Facebook and other social media. But a niece really sounded so nice. So we began writing to each other over Messenger. And well, Anise has really come through and has shown such a great heart for me, because she has bought the Castle Art Harmonious set for me and has sent them to me, and I have now finally received them. So let's open this one and see what hides inside here. So you can see I have opened it already, just to be sure that I could open it. It's nothing worse than sitting in front of a camera and having trouble opening a parcel. So nicely protected. Well, and here it is. The Castle Art 72 Harmonious collection. And of course, it's in one of their tin boxes. Oh my gosh. Really well protected. And here it is. I have actually removed all of my other Castle Art pencils from the tin boxes and placed them in pencil cases. I don't know if I will do that with these, because I haven't got enough room now for all of my coloring pencils that I have now. But if we just remove the plastic here. Oh, and you can actually see them. I see the colors here on the back of this tin box here. Wow. So yes, this is actually perfect. And this is why I really, really wanted this set, because of the colors that you can see here. And then, you know, it says 72 Harmonious collection colored pencils with silky smooth velvety leads offering both translucency and opacity. Well, we will certainly put that to the test, Castle Art, in an upcoming review. So the box is so very easy to open. Nice. And then it's very typical Castle Art. We have all of this information here, and I really like this about Castle Art, that we have here an overview of all of the colors here, and then about their other products, of course, and then we have another guide here, and then we have this one. And I really do think these little pamphlets here are really worthwhile, because here they present the pencils, explain a lot about what they are, and offer some tips and tricks to different techniques. And then we have a very beautiful overview here. I can't remember having seen such a good overview of the pencils in the other pamphlets from the other sets. Oh, and the names alone: Dusty Lavender, Wildberry, Sweet Lilac, Dark Chocolate. Exciting. And then they have all of these different tricks. And then this tutorial, which I really don't give so much for. You can't see what colors they do, but you can watch the video on their webpage. So they really do try here in this pamphlet to teach you things. And then we have their color chart here, ready for swatching, just so you can get a feel of the pencils. I do make my own. And then here they are. So very beautiful. And now you may think, oh, wait a little minute, Katja. We know you don't like the gray colors, and I can see a lot of what seems like a bit of gray colors here. Well, I can also see some very, we have a dusty rose, and we have some, French gray. I was wondering if we could find some French gray in this collection, because I don't have it in the other. Actually, when you buy the 120 set, there is hardly any gray colors at all, which is nice because I don't like gray colors. But if you really want to use them, you certainly lack especially light gray colors, and we find them here. So again, easy to remove this. And then here we have some very, very nice lilac, purple colors, blue colors, and not the clear bright colors we know from the 120 set, but all of these dark colors that we have missed, and more pale colors here, eggplant. So this is exactly what I had hoped for with this set. They really do complement the other sets with all of the colors that have been missing from the other sets here. Look at this. We have some very nice pale green colors, seafoam green, because they have a lot of green colors in the Castle Art set, but they are very bright. So this is exactly what I have missed. They are certainly right about that these colors are the colors that really complement and make the Castle Art range, complete. Wisteria. Certainly a different color than the ones from their parcel tip set. Well, this is just a little sneak peek of these coloring pencils. So beautiful. Better wrap it up nicely here. So thank you so very much, Anise, for sending these to me. This was just everything I dreamed of, and I can't wait to make a review of these. It will come up on my channel in the beginning of the new year, and also try them out in my coloring books. Thank you so much, Anise. And to all of you others, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this little sneak peek and that you look forward to my review of these coloring pencils here. So I hope that you will like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. In most of my other videos, my voice certainly doesn't sound as hoarse as this one. So I hope that you will consider watching some of my reviews up on my channel. Upcoming videos on my channel, my top 20 coloring supplies of 2024, my top 10 of coloring books in 2024, and of course the long-awaited review of the Faber-Castell Albrecht Dürer watercolor pencils. So until I see you in the next video, take care of yourself, have a lovely day, happy coloring, bye!